So, good day everyone. My name is Karil Ramos Jimenez from BSc 1-10 and I'm discussing with you the genetically modified organism. So, what is GMO? A GMO or genetically modified organism is a plant, animal, microorganism or other organism whose genetically makeup has been modified in a laboratory using genetic engineering or transgenic technology. They are used to produce medicines, genetically modified food, and in research. So, here are the examples of GMO. First is golden rice. Rice modified with a daffodil genes to have more beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. Second one is flavor saver tomatoes. Tomatoes modified by the removal of genes responsible for the softening of fruit, meaning the tomatoes spoil more slowly. Third one is BT corn. Corn modified with a bacterial insecticide gene so that it produces insect toxins within its cells, protecting it from the pest species. So, are genetically modified organisms safe for the environment? Let's see. Assessing the environmental safety of genetically modified organisms or GMOs is challenging. While modified crops that are resistant to herbicides can reduce mechanical tillage and hence soil erosion, engineered genes from GMOs can potentially enter into wild population. Genetically modified crops may be encourage increased use of agricultural chemicals, and there are concerns that GMOs may cause inadvertent losses in biodiversity. Why are genetically modified organisms important? Genetically modified organisms provide certain advantages to producers and consumers. Modified plants, for example, can at least initially help protect crops by providing resistance to a specific disease or insect, ensuring greater food production. GMOs are also important source of medicine. So here are the advantages of GMOs. First is crops can be tailored to provide better health benefits. There is the possibility of an increased shelf life. It takes less land to grow more food. Genetically modified crops can conserve energy, soil, and water resources. Simple changes to a certain crops can have a major impact. Fewer harmful agents need to be applied to crops. It can save core crops from extinction. Farmers can use better ground care methods. And lastly, future GMOs could eliminate food allergies or intolerance issues. So here are the disadvantages of GMOs. In the USA, the FDA does not require GMO labeling. Most core foods have some level of genetic modification. There may be an increased risk of allergies or food intolerance. GMO crops can contaminate other fields. Animal proteins could be affected by GMO crops. Many GMO crops are trademarked, patented, and legally protected. Um, it encourages the uses of additional herbicides. GMOs create superweeds. And lastly, GMOs create superbugs. So thank you everyone for listening and for your understanding. Um, Hope you understand my discussion and thank you everyone. God bless.